Hello. Welcome back to iSenews Bafethu. Namhlanje ke ngizonethulela ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ke laphana ke kuzalo kusihlwa. But before siqhubeke nevideo yethu ke namhlanje bengicela laphana ke usubscribe uphinde ulike ke video. So namhlanje bafethu, did you know ukuthi while one wins big, another is silently breaking? Well, kushubi kakhulu namhlanje kuzalo. Tonight on Uzalo, things are taking a shock turn as power, pain and secrets collide in KwaMashu. Kunzi is finally enjoying the rewards of his R1 million heist. Even behind bars, uNkunzi uyatshengisa ukuthi uyohlezi ke eNkunzi. He finds a way to stay on top, proving once again that Nkunzi uhlezi ke engaphambili, noma ngithi Nkunzi is always one step ahead. But on the other side, uLili ke izinto zakhe ke azimhambeli ke kahle. Lili is struggling really badly bafethu. Her mahlela status is weighing her down and she's finding it hard to fit back into her world. Something is not right and people around her are starting to notice. Well, meanwhile, love might be in the air. Usbu noFikile take a bold step and begin a new journey together. Is this the start of something real or just another storm waiting to happen? And then Nangela Panege Prince, he finally starts finding his rhythm as Sipho's Stapa. Confidence is growing, things are looking up, but just when everything seems to fall in place, his past comes knocking, and this time it might not be easy to escape. Don't miss tonight's episode of Uzalo because everything is changing. If you enjoy daily teasers like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and drop your predictions in the comment. Is Lily hiding something and will Prince survive his past? So bafethu, unfortunately this is the end of the video. Ngicela ke wenze sure ukuthi ke you subscribe and you click on that notification bell on our channel ke iSenews ukuze ke uzohlezi u-updated ngama latest teaser ke athintana ke noZalo.